Happy morning, all of you. I am Professor Anant Kumar Das, having 25 plus years of experience in teaching, training, counseling, and consulting, whereby I have given my classes, program, workshop for 1,000 plus institutions and 250 plus organizations in India, whereby I have covered 20 countries, 20 states, 300 cities in India, and trained almost 1 lakh students and 50,000 executives, managers, teachers, faculty, senior managers. Author of 4 books. Presently, I am author of 4 books, having 10 certifications with me. That is why I am giving you all, or I am going to give you all, under my program, Certified Master Trainer and Train the Trainer, under Apeksha Online Soft Skill Education, Hyderabad. Recently, I have launched this company 1 month back, that is Online Soft Skill Education in Hyderabad, under Apeksha Online Soft Skill Education Hyderabad, which is at par with the UGC and AICT curriculum. Under this, we are going to offer you Certified Master Trainer Train the Trainer program. I repeat, Certified Master Trainer and Train the Trainer program. This will be a unique program. Totally unique program in this country, because within the same fees you will be able to get 10 certification. In India, 99.99%, not a single institute in a position to give you 10 certification within the same price, but we will give you all. Let's start with why us. First of all, why us? Why you will take Certified Master Trainer and Train the Trainer program from Apeksha Online Soft Skill Education? Before that, this program is for working professionals basically, that is teachers, faculty, trainer, coach and mentor. But any fresher can also take admission in this program if they think that they are in a position to complete this program within the prescribed time limit, whether they are from 10th pass, 12th pass, graduation or post-graduation. It means they must have talent, that is inborn quality of teaching and training, that is known as knack of teaching and training. Let's start with what you will get from us. First of all, main benefits. What is the main benefits if you will go through Certified Master Trainer and Train the Trainer program under Apeksha Online Soft Skill Education? First, 10 certification, as I said, 10 certification within the same price. World class content, as I have designed the entire curriculum and syllabus. So world class content, because I am a national international trainer also at the same time for last 20 plus years. Course delivery by national international trainer, that is by me. Online studies by Zoom or Google Meet. As I repeat, whatever study you will do under Certified Master Trainership and Train the Trainer program, it will be through Zoom and Google Meet, and it will be based on fast track, that is Monday to Saturday, slow track Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, or weekend program, that is Saturday and Sunday. Minimum for 2 hours, maximum for 4 hours per day. Then pedagogy or andragogy, that is called, that is known as methodology, means style of teaching and training. Under this, I will take care of all activities, exercise, game, group discussion, group exercise, group task, jam, just a minute, extempore, impromptu, PI, brainstorming, etc. etc. That will be my methodology, means style of teaching and training whenever I am delivering any workshop, classes, program anywhere in India or outside India. Then comes assessment. It's not an easy task to complete this course within the 3 to 6 months, that is the course duration, but you will be able to finish if you are very serious about this, because assessment will be on the basis of weekly basis or fortnightly basis. It will take the form and type of quiz, assessment, test and examinations. Then comes, which is above all, very high income, depending upon the institutions, organizations and your mastery over the subject. mastery over 10 certification, which I will give you all, means we will give you all under Apeksha online soft skill education. Rupees 5k, that is rupees 5,000 per day to rupees 5 lakhs per day, that is the income range level in this country for a master trainer or train the trainer, means any trainer, if you have mastery over 10 certification. These were main benefits. Now comes additional benefits. What are the additional benefits from our program? After getting mastery over 10 certifications, you will be able to give your classes, program, workshop for all corporates or organizations. Under corporate organizations comes sole proprietorship company, partnership company, consultancy company, private limited company, public limited company, that is IT and non-IT company, multinational company, MNCs, and Fortune 500 companies. After that, you will be able to give your classes program for institutions. Institutions means all schools, all colleges, all institutes, all universities, all study and learning centers, whether it's a private and government. Plus, which is the most important part, any individual and family, that is film star, politicians, industrialists, rich and famous, and others. That will be your USP for this if you have mastery over this 10 certifications. And at last, extra benefit. What extra benefit you all will get from us? You can start your own business. Having 10 certification, mastery over 10 certification means you can start your own business also to become an entrepreneur. You can set up your own soft skill center anywhere in India. And the third, which is very important, A to Z, help, support and solutions from us by Apeksha online soft skill education team, whereby we will help you to become an entrepreneur, and counseling and consulting any point of time whenever you need our counseling and consulting. Thank you so much. May God bless you all. Thanks.